Okay, welcome to Rap Station's YouTube video. So we are currently doing a vertical YouTube view. So this is gonna be our first and probably not gonna be the last. I'm standing beside a C200 OEM black color. So it's going to wrap in Crystal Lake Blue from CYS. So a good friend of ours, CYS, is very kind to actually, help us review or let us review the whole film. It's currently being installed almost 70% of the car already. So a few panel left. So the roof, the fenders, the mirrors, the bumpers, the front bumpers and the rear bumpers is currently being installed as well. Hopefully it's going good. Shouldn't be any more drama. We actually took off the bumpers to make sure that it's a seamless installation. So yeah, so we'll see you on the next bit. Okay, so we are at the back of the rear trunk of the car. As you can see, that's only a few panels left. The rear trunk is one, and obviously the roof. And we obviously removed the rear lights. The boys is currently doing the tow hook covers at the back of the car. The color is very bright, very popping. The material from the CYS is I think it's good. It's very good that in the sense that it doesn't really need a post heating that much. So once it sticks, it sticks. It doesn't prank you in a way that it will lift off. But apart from that, it's pretty much should be an easy walk from now. And yeah.
Я надеялся, вы мне расскажете.
Может, и расскажу. Что хотите знать?
Да, много чего, в смысле, где это я, как я сюда попал, почему тут роботы говорят как люди?
Ну, вы, очевидно, на аксиологе. Вы что, там никогда не были? Где вы работали?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Okay, so we have the bumper off. It's very different with the PPF that we are normally doing. So with the PPF, we barely take anything off from the car. But with this one, just because the color going is very different from black to blue, so we don't want anything or any original colors to be sort of popping off from the bumper. So to get it more sort of a thorough install, we have to take everything off, the grille, the bumpers, the fog lamp as well. So everything needs to be taken off, clean, and make sure that everything is going very deep inside the bumpers. So that's pretty much the difference between the PPF and the vinyl wrap that we normally doing. So yeah. Everything has been covered. We have installed a PPF on the front headlight as well. The interior has been pre-cut using a pattern PPF, and it's been detailed. We had added a ceramic coated on top of the vinyl as well. dressing code and dressing on the trim. So everything has been perfect. So that's pretty much it. Hope to see you on the next video.